We got one heck of a dust storm just blew in. So I got the kids safely in the house and I'm about to go check the horses. The cows are doing okay, but the wind is windy and the sand is everywhere. So even though it's super cloudy out, I'm wearing my sunglasses because the wind, I need to protect my eyes. So we're going to go check the stock and then get on back to the house where it's not windy. You guys, this is not fog. This is all sand. Sand blowing everywhere. Hi, ponies! Yeah, look at the tumbleweeds are going nuts. Yeah. Alright. Got sand in my eye. Crazy. And the sky is clear. And there is the storm. It's that way. Yes. And now we're going to do a 3.5 mile lap around the property. You guys think you can hang? You got it? Yeah. 3.5 miles ain't nothing, right? It's easy. All right. Made it 2 miles. I got one with me walking and one on a bike up there. And they're showing how strong they are by doing this 3.5 mile lap. And so here we are, almost halfway through, and we're kicking ass.